everyone, how are you all? So today I came online to share a lovely experience with you. Many people ask this question, do twins look alike? Okay, do twin flames look alike? Well, the answer is yeah, they resemble each other. They don't look alike completely, like of course the masculine looks like the masculine, the feminine looks like the feminine, but if you look at their face, they resemble each other. Okay, there are some pairs of twins who look like each other completely, the resemblance is great. Okay, whereas in some pairs the resemblance is there but it's not so obvious. Okay, then there are other pairs where the eyes look similar, and then there are some twin flame pairs where the lips look similar. Okay, so I had heard about this in twin flame forums and discussions, and I had also checked for myself with my twin whether we look similar, and yeah, I found out that we do look similar. Okay, but that was many months ago when I knew that twins look similar and we have certain similarities. I knew about that. However, today I had a very interesting experience, is that I was just experimenting with a different camera app. I was checking out that camera app, and what happened is, in my normal camera app, the image, when the camera would play, the image would just play as it is, meaning the right side was the right side, the left side was the left side. But in this new app which I had downloaded, when the video would play, the sides would get inverted. Your right side would appear as the left and the left side would appear as the right. So I tested this app, and when I tested this app, I realized that over the few months as I have done my integration work, I look more similar to my twin flame. Okay, so earlier I used to resemble my twin, but right now it's like the level of similarity is more after I have embodied my higher self. Okay, because over the months my voice has changed and there have been physical changes, and it's not something that you pretend, it's not something that you fabricate, but real changes have happened to me. So I can also say that I resemble him more. Okay, it's like the more I integrate my higher self, the more similar we start looking. Okay, if you're getting my track. So anyway, this was a short video on this topic, that twins do resemble each other. Yes, they do resemble each other because they share the same DNA blueprint. They have the same soul DNA. I'm not talking about ancestral DNA. Of course, the ancestral DNA is different, but the very purpose of twin flames is to clear the ancestral DNA. So whether one or both are doing the work. See, with the matrix twin, it's like it's happening, the karmic clearing is happening. It's not something that he's like actively doing, but it's just like any other person, who lives life and experiences different things and learns their lessons. So he grows at the average pace. But the divine feminine, the spiritual twin flame, they don't grow at an average pace spiritually. Okay, spiritually they grow at a really accelerated pace, and that is why materially they don't grow so much. Okay, but the matrix twin, materially they grow very fast, but spiritually they are slow. They're slower than the average person. So they're getting their lessons at a really slow pace. However, that changes at the end. At the end, when the feminine starts grounding, now she's grounding the 5D, right? She's grounding the 5D reality. So that is when the matrix twin rises up into his feminine energy, his spiritual energy, his upper chakras, and that is where his transformation becomes really fast. Okay, and it's not like the feminine's transformation. The feminine's transformation was accelerated, but it was still slow, it was still a process, it was still step by step, because she's supposed to teach it to others. Okay, so she had to go through this step by step process. But with the matrix twin, it's not like that. He doesn't go through this. It's like sudden changes. It's like a program is being downloaded into him. Like, you know, if you watch that movie The Matrix, you know, in this you have these characters and suddenly they download certain program. Like if she doesn't know to ride a helicopter, she asks the people who are controlling this physical avatar to download a program, and the program is downloaded, and then suddenly she knows how to fly a helicopter. If I made a mistake riding a helicopter, if I said it, I'm sorry, I meant fly a helicopter. So it's like that, you know, because the changes that you have made as a divine feminine get downloaded into him very fast at the end. So he doesn't go through that process. I'm talking about a spiritual twin and matrix twin, because I am in that kind of a situation, and most of the ascended twin flames are in this kind of a situation, because there is a specific mission for the ascended twin flames, okay, who have come here. Again, I tell you this again and again, there are two types of twin flames. There are ascended twin flames, master souls, who came here, who took on karma, okay, and there it's like complete polarization and a lot of karma. And then there are normal human souls who are going around their progress, and now since the ascension has come upon the planet, they are entering into the spiritual journey, they are finding their twin flames, okay, but they didn't have those same type of missions that the illumined twin flames had, okay. So there is a group of illumined twin flames that is separate, okay, and their reunion doesn't happen like the reunion of normal twin flames. See, normal twin flames, they have certain amount of karma. Illumined twin flames have a lot of karma, okay. So, and illumined twin flames, their reunion is synced with the earth's energies. So they come in with specific missions at specific times, and their reunion doesn't actually depend on how much clearing work they do. Their reunion depends on the clearing work plus on the timing, divine timing of the earth's ascension process. The earth's ascension process has to reach a certain place for them to reunite, okay. So then they can leave those roles of like spiritual twin and matrix twin, and then they can balance out and unify. So it is synced with the earth's ascension process. I'm talking about the illumined twin. Whereas normal twin flame souls who are like from the planet earth, who have been here for a long time, with them they can pretty much unite irrespective of the earth's ascension whenever they have completed their work. You see what I'm saying, okay. So a lot of YouTubers that you see, they are not illumined twin flames, they are just normal twin flames. So the patterns that they explain are different, okay. They talk about the feminine awakening and then the masculine awakening, but it is different with the illumined twins. It is different with the spiritual twin and matrix twin, okay. I'll talk about this in detail in another topic. Let me stick on this point of twin flames look alike. Yes, they look alike, very much they look alike, and the experience which I had today was really beautiful and a little bit shocking also, because when I saw the inverted image, it was like really looking like my twin flame. And not only that I inverted the image, but I feel like as I do more integration work, I am becoming more look-alike like my twin. Like, I mean, of course I have the feminine features and he has the masculine features, but the resemblance is growing, like, you know, the more I embody my higher self. So if you all have some experiences to share about your twin flame experiences of looking alike, like, you all can put it down in the comment section. and I hope you'll have a lovely time. I hope you'll grow in the twin flame journey, and don't forget to do your inner work. Keep doing your inner work and keep progressing on your journey. Okay, so this is what I have to say today. Thank you everyone for watching, and bye for now.